So, hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are honored to have another virtual assistant specializing in admin and social media. To introduce her, she graduated from STI with uh, s- a Bachelor in Information Technology. Her earlier roles were administrative assistant in Miriam College, lead generation specialist from Fifth Venue as her internship. Then, as a freelancer, she did social media marketing with We Whiten and was a research assistant with Cronin and Company Real Estate. Then she became a web researcher for Top Agent magazine, and most recently, she is working as a virtual assistant project reviewer. Okay.
Yes.
So, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Miss Reggie and Yana.
Yes. Hi,
So,
Miss
thank you.
Kat.
Thank you so much for giving your time for our aspiring virtual assistants boss. So, yeah, can you please tell me something about outside your job as a virtual assistant muna, maybe your family, your passion po, and your hobbies. Go ahead.
Oh, actually, I'm a housewife and I'm based from Tagbilaran City, Bohol. And I'm also a Jehovah's Witness. So, aside from prioritizing my work or my job online, I also prioritize my um, spiritual activities.
Wow.
So, yes.
Wow. Awesome, because we're almost the same. Like I'm passionate also with serving in the ministry as a Christian naman po.
Yeah.
So let's go
Ah.
through the questions. Number one, can you walk us through your journey of landing your first virtual assistant job? What steps did you take to get there?
Thank you for asking. To be honest, Miss Kath, my journey to landing my first VA job was a bit of a learning curve.
Mm,
Why? Because I was hired from my previous corporate job, which is an admin role, and I didn't expect the opportunity that I will be transitioned from a corporate to a work from home setup. And
mm,
it happened after I leave that company due to I need to focus for some family matters to come
mm,
home for good here
mm,
in our province. So yeah, it was all started working from home when I received an offer from my former company to continue
mm,
working online, and that was way back 2017.
mm. Nice, nice. I think that's a blessing in disguise, right? Because you needed
Yes.
to go home for good.
Yes.
God gave you an opportunity to still work from home. Wow, thank you for
Yes.
sharing, Pa. What were some of the biggest challenges you faced during your early days as a virtual assistant, and how did you manage to overcome these obstacles?
One of the biggest challenges I faced was adjusting to the remote work setup and managing my time effectively. To overcome those, Miss Kat, I established a dedicated workspace at home. Pero
Mm-hmm.
nagsimula ako gamit ang laptop ng husband ko
Mm-mm.
provided from their company. And I created also a schedule that allowed me to prioritize tasks and meet deadlines. Another challenge was communicating effectively with clients across different time zones, different languages, but I made sure, Miss Kat, to set clear expectations and boundaries over time. I think I've developed my communication skills and
Mm-mm.
a proactive approach to addressing client needs, which has helped me build a strong working relationships. Kasi sa totoo lang, nung nag-umpisa ako as a VA, hirap akong mag-English. Hindi ko
Mm-mm.
malaman
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
kung paano i-overcome yung kaba at
Yeah.
yung pagiging down ko sa sarili ko na parang hindi ko to kaya kasi basic lang yung English ko. But
Mm-mm.
showing up in an interview is one of the best things I've learned dahil little by little, nabibuild up yung confidence mo. Kahit conversational lang yung English na meron tayo. Kaya sa mga aspiring BAs, kapag nag apply tayo, expect natin na makakatanggap talaga tayo ng invitations for interview. And one thing that helped me when I receive an invitation is to show up and
Mm-mm.
prepare. Study the background of the company, halongkatin nyo yung website. nila and any social media profiles ng company. Yes, importante yun kasi sa interview, tayo yung gusto nilang makilala.
Mm-mm.
At kaya tinatanong tayo about ourselves, our background, and so on. Kumbaga, kinikilala natin ang side ng company through background checking at kinikilala din nila tayo on our side. Kaya huwag kalimutang mag-background check.
Thank you for sharing, Miss Reggie. One of the issues talaga din ng mga aspiring VA, especially ng students from the Try Freelancing Academy, is how to be confident with expressing
Yes.
themselves in English. And I believe pareha tayo na sa dami ng interviews na pinagdaanan natin, nasanay na rin tayo how to answer sa
Yes.
mga foreign clients. So thank
I
you.
agree.
Let's go to the next. What tools or resources did you make sure to have in place before starting your work as a virtual assistant? Were there any particular software or skills that proved essential?
Yeah, before starting my work as a VA, I made sure to have a reliable computer. Pero yun nga, nagsimula ako sa laptop ng husband ko. So, yung high-speed internet din and a quiet workspace. In terms of software naman, I invested in Google Workspace,
Mm-mm.
Canva, which is basic, and
Mm-mm.
project management tools like Trello and
Oh.
Notion. Yes, I've also developed skills in social media management, content creation, and email management. One of the most essential skills for me has been time management, being
Mm-mm.
able to prioritize tasks and manage my workload efficiently has been crucial to delivering yung high quality work and
Yeah.
meeting deadlines. At ang lahat ng yan ay matutunan natin online. Try to explore YouTube,
Yeah.
researching example how to use Google Workspace for beginners or kahit gumamit tayo ng keyword na tutorial for beginners and in
Mm-mm.
searching in YouTube at yun ay ang tinatawag natin na self-study or self-learn. Meron ding mga
Mm-mm.
courses gaya ni Miss Kat, siguro nag-offer siya ng coaching or mentorship for
Yeah.
VAs na pwede nating i-took up for us to have a guidance and a mentor and someone na merong magko-coach sa atin kung
Mm-mm.
paano magsimula as a VA.
Mm-mm. You mentioned about Trello po. Were you able like to
Yes.
um like pay for the software to be able to master navigating it, or how did you ano po like you said, invested time or money also? How did you learn?
Time only by
Okay, time
learning
only.
through YouTube
So
tutorials.
so sana moving forward, if you can like present a free webinar how to navigate Trello, I believe isa siya sa magandang ano certificate na magigain ng mga students if they want to apply as virtual assistant. Sana po ma-invite namin kayo to show us how to navigate Trello. So
Sure,
next
sure.
po, I think this would be our last question na. As a VA who specializes in, I believe, social media and also administrative task, what advice would you give to others who aspire to join the platform? Can you share any personal experience or tips that helped you succeed in passing the exams or getting hired po?
Yeah, my advice would be to focus on building a strong foundation in admin tasks and social media management. Identify your niche and develop skills that align with it. And networking is also a key by attending webinars, join online communities, and connect with other VAs to learn from their experiences and stay updated on industry trends. Kaya sabay tayo sa uso.
Hmm.
And additionally, be proactive and always show willingness to learn and upskill. Keep on learning new tools. Take online courses if you prefer someone na may magtuturo sa'yo. Watch any free tutorials from any resources on the internet and stay up to date with the latest tools and software. And one personal tip that helped me succeed was setting clear goals and tracking my progress. It helped me to stay motivated and focused on delivering high quality work. So make a checklist kung ano yung dapat mong gawin.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Miss Reggie. I really feel that you're prepared for this interview and you would really be able to help aspiring VAs mag-transition and get ready sa talagang VA world. So for our viewers, if you're ready to kickstart your virtual assistant journey, if you're looking to transition into the VA world, join our Thrive Freelancing Academy. Don't hesitate to reach out. We'll work together on mentoring session, a CV revamp in Canva, and optimizing your profiles in LinkedIn, JobStreet, and Indeed. So please send me a message. Thank you so much again, Miss
Thank you.
Rechi.
Thank you, Miss
All the
Kath.
best in our VA jobs, and I'll see you everyone next time.
See
Bye.
you. Thank you. Bye bye.